When the summer heat rolls in like a steam cloud inside a primary containment structure, you need an air conditioner that gets the job done without sending your electric bill into orbit. I am the HVAC Repair Guy. Before spending 17 years fixing residential cooling systems in the field, I spent my time working as a nuclear power electrician. That means I look at these little window boxes a bit differently than most. I do not care about fancy marketing. I care about electrical efficiency, starting current, and reliable build quality. Today, we are putting two 8,000 BTU window units head to head, the Amana AMAP081CW and the Hisense AHW0823TW1W. Let us start by looking at the physical build and chassis setup of these two machines. Both models are built as standard window air conditioners, meaning neither one is a U-shape, casement, or through-the-wall specific design. They are designed to drop straight into a standard vertical window frame. The Amana unit is put together in China and relies on a traditional heavy chassis format. The Hisense unit comes out of a manufacturing plant in Thailand, using a clean, modern exterior footprint that fits tightly into standard windows. Where these two pieces of hardware completely drift apart is under the hood, specifically on the electrical side. The Amana unit uses a traditional single-stage compressor with one operational speed and an energy efficiency ratio of 12.1. The Hisense, on the other hand, utilizes a variable speed inverter compressor, which pushes its efficiency up to 15.0 EER. A traditional single-stage compressor is either completely off or running at 100% capacity. Every time the thermostat calls for cooling, that compressor suffers a hard start, pulling massive inrush current that spikes your power usage and strains your home electrical grid. An inverter compressor never stops and starts like that, and instead starts up slowly, stays running at a low, continuous electrical frequency, and gently dials its speed up or down. This completely eliminates those brutal starting currents, dropping your monthly utility bill drastically while keeping the room at a much more stable temperature. Now let us talk about retail price and daily utility. The Amana AMAP081CW typically hits the market around $246, making it an affordable entry point for simple cooling. However, it is a bare bones machine with zero smart features, no Wi-Fi connectivity, and no voice control capabilities. The Hisense AHW0823TW1W commands a higher average retail price of about $324. For that extra cash, you get fully integrated Wi-Fi via the Connect Life app, voice control compatibility, and an incredibly quiet operational sound profile of just 44 decibels. By contrast, the Amana runs louder at 56 decibels. Before we look at the warranty, here is your midpoint maintenance reminder. Clean your air filters every 2 to 3 weeks. If the airflow is blocked by dust, the evaporator coil will freeze up, the compressor will overheat, and you will shorten the lifespan of your equipment. When it comes to the warranty, these manufacturers draw the line differently. Amana covers the full unit for 1 year and backs the compressor with 5 years of part coverage. Hisense offers a flat, comprehensive 2-year warranty that covers both the full unit and the compressor together. When you look at the raw data, there is a clear, definitive winner here, and it is the Hisense AHW0823TW1W. The Amana is a decent, budget-friendly option if you just want simple manual controls, but the Hisense completely outclasses it where it matters most. The combination of variable speed inverter technology, a quiet 44 decibel sound output, full smart home automation, and a 15.0 efficiency rating easily justifies the higher price tag. Do not waste your money on old, hard-starting technology. Take it from a technician, choose the inverter, and shop like a pro.